Question number 1. Can you explain the various political ideologies mentioned in the outline? The outlined lesson mentions several political ideologies, each with distinct principles. Democracy, a system where people have the power to choose their leaders through voting. It focuses on individual rights, fair elections, and government accountability. Examples include the United States and India. Liberalism believes in personal freedoms, human rights, and a government that protects these rights while allowing people to make their own choices. It supports free markets and limited government interference in personal lives. Socialism focuses on equality and fairness by ensuring that resources such as wealth and basic services are shared more equally. The government plays a larger role in providing for people's needs like healthcare and education. Conservatism values tradition, stability, and gradual change rather than sudden reforms. It often supports free markets, strong institutions, and maintaining cultural and social traditions. These ideologies influence laws, policies, and how country is governed. For question number 2, what are the main differences between politics and public administration? Politics is about making decisions, creating policies, and gaining or maintaining power. It involves elections, debates, and different political parties competing for leadership. Politicians represent the people and decide on the laws and policies that will govern a country. Public administration is about carrying out those decisions and policies. It involves managing government offices, organizing public services such as education, healthcare, and transportation, and ensuring that laws are implemented effectively. Public administrators work behind the scenes to keep the government running smoothly.